Hello, so this is Kashif Mahmood from KM Webverse with another video for you. In this video I will tell you how you can use account balance on Namecheap. So if you have some existing balance on your Namecheap account and you want to use that for the purchase and don't want to attach your card or make payment through card or PayPal, so we will cover that in this video. So first of all you will have to go to Namecheap. This is the link that you can use. It will give me a little bit of commission that help me create this type of videos for you. So I will provide the link in the description and you can go to Namecheap and here you can log into your account. So I have already logged in, so I will go to dashboard. By the way, Namecheap is the only domain registrar that I use because they are transparent with their prices, not like GoDaddy or other domain registrar that charge very high prices on the renewals. So that's why I always use Namecheap for the domain and web hosting. So here you can see currently I do not have the account balance, but I can show you how you can use that. It's very simple. So let's just search for a domain name and see how we can purchase a domain name using the account balance. So let me just enter our domain name. You can also buy web hosting with your account balance with this same procedure, and here you can select the domain that you want to purchase. So let me just add this one to the cart, and here we can go to view cart, or we can say checkout, and here you can choose the years or whatever you want to include with the domain. So here you can see we have got 9 coupons. You can also get this when you use my link, and you can also install this Chrome extension along with the affiliate links PayPal Honey. So you can install this extension, and when you will click on apply coupon codes, then you will be getting some discount. Sometime it's a little bit of discount and sometime it's a huge discount as well. So once it applies the coupon code, then you can just click on confirm order, and here under payment details you will see your card. You will need to click on change button over here. You can scroll down and you will see this account funds option, so you can click on that. So here you can see currently I have $0. So if I have some funds, then I can definitely use them, and you can also add the funds to your account to make the complete payment using your account funds, and once done you can click on continue and confirm payment then. So that's it for the video. That's how you can use account balance on Namecheap for your purchase. Like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.